miss you, Felix. We're gonna miss you, Felix. We're gonna miss you.
Malea tua I so o se ala e te uia. No ua tali ia e whalongo mai. I laune upu o le a whai.
Just to my mum and dad, thanks for everything you've done for me. Even my siblings, Cruz, Akuila, and Lioto back in NZ. Thank you all, just pushing me to be the best I can be. Just being there for me when I'm down, always believing in me. Yeah, just everything on and off the field. Very grateful. Blessed to have you guys, because you guys make me who I am today. Yeah, I just hope I make everyone proud and you guys proud, because yeah, you guys are my way. That's it.
Siri le o lofo Jesus. Ito tono le nei ai. Ma fai ona ma to hos fatistino pe lei. Wa e fo ina mai ma to te foto ai. Ona o lo lofo ma lo wanga le lei o lo tau sino o lo kuikuina.
A o e folau I le vasa loa loa. E whainga tā. O e malua I le ainga ne.
Nei tu la tau me te malavina. E o le aunga ia au te wha moe moe. E li via e le tua li oto. O na ua wala watu e mai le wha moe moe o Felix. Tau me te malavina. Nā roka e whai.
Ia faiva ia manuia. Aua e te loto mai vai pea o mai whainga tā. Lua te whātasi ma lea tua. So se ala.
Yeah. My mom was here to watch with us, but she can't be here. Just another step for Felix to go up there. Don't be trying to take some guys because he'll be alone. It's going to be a very hard step for him. I'm just glad that you guys are all here for the celebration and making sure it goes off in a good course. And I'm sure he won't let you guys down. That's why I see you always texting and keep pushing him. You know, especially you young kids. See your older cousin here, an opportunity. Make sure you guys do the hard work at school, if not in the training field. Keep pushing yourself to the limit. Never give up.
Felix, e makoe for Felix I ko kapsanga. Pa kai lea o aina o kai mama. Ai no ke. Ai a se. So ya ma pa. O sa minga o ma wale pa venga mo ke. Ele anu ma e anu foi makoe sa. Ya pa pe foi ia ko pa finya to ya sa pa. Ana. Ai i kai ele in ka longa ia. e sau pe alo se so ma o e mai asi nei. Yeah,
Hey Felix, just wanted to congratulate you on signing with the Tigers and choosing to move to Sydney. It's such a big step for you, but it's so exciting. I'm thinking about you and I pray that God watches over you and guides you while you're being in Sydney. Look after yourself, work hard, be humble, and don't forget everything that you've done to get yourself to where you are. And don't forget the people as well, mum and dad, us, the rest of your family, your friends. Enjoy yourself, make the most of the experience, and yeah, I'll see you in Sydney. Love you.
Hello. I'd just like to thank everyone, family, friends that came down. I'd just like to say thanks for everyone coming down. It means a lot to me. Like, much love to all of yous. Hopefully I can do you proud, and it's only just the beginning, and I'm definitely going to make you guys proud.